Hello， 大家好，我是小红哥，在美国。今天和朋友约了傍晚过来打猎，我提前来了一会儿，所以我在这里等他们。现在就在这个森林里面开枪测试一下这个昨天刚到了一个玩具枪，是一个玩具气枪。现在换了一个地方，我们简单来看一下这把枪。它带2个机瞄，一个前的，一个后的，然后就是直接把它给拉起来就可以了。然后这地方有一个垂直握把，它的弹夹里边可以装30发子弹。它后面这个枪托是不可以控制距离的，只是把它转开之后，在这个地方放一个气罐，然后用那个气罐来把子弹打出去。枪的一个保险栓。现在我们就在装子弹，打一下看看。这个就是它的子弹，一小盒里面有200发。打开之后是这样子，都是一个每一个都是一个小铁块。这是.177，弹夹打开。这边可以装30发子弹，然后一点点给它塞进去。现在装好了，再把子弹给推进去。然后就这样了。装完子弹之后，还要把这个气罐给装到后面。可以听到一点点声音。噗一下，现在应该就好了。我们把弹夹再装进去。Oh, do you see that? Where? The tree?
No, the edge of the water on the other side.
The edge of the water?
Have any bullets in it? It's not firing.
For how many rounds? It didn't fire.
Probably like, you only shot 1 round. The other one didn't.
Oh, it jammed.
Jammed.
Oh, it jammed a few rounds. It seems like this. It's not really good than I expected. Well, I guess don't need a charging handle or something. It's just the display. I'm trying to hit the middle of the lake, I think.
Try the middle. There you go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it. You want to try?
The edge of the grass, if it's...
Yeah. Your bounce
low.
almost hit the edge of the grass.
Yeah, it's low.
Yeah, it's low.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it.
It's good.
It hit the target that way it's supposed to?
Yeah, I'm supposed to hit that little thing, right?
Yeah. I'll try to hit the first one.
Yeah.
Whoa! Went crazy.
Now you gotta clean that thing.
It didn't went crazy like the first one.
You hit him low, you hit the table.
Oh, oh. Whoa. Try it. Oh, wow. You hit 2 of them?
Just one.
With a 1 shot?
Yeah, that one's still full.
Oh, okay. Stick around. This one hit the bottom, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I hit the little branch.
Hmm.
So it's very accurate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. A little...
You hit back
low,
about an
right?
inch. You do the same one earlier. It's back 3 inches, 2 inches back. There you go.
Ah.
You hit it.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, let's head back.
Good now.
Okay.
You're a pro now.
Yeah, right. This is very easy. Try to get some views on it.
You need to smile.
Yeah, I am. 测试了几次，感觉还是挺准的。Shooting on the lake, it didn't see the damage, but shooting the solar cans is actually do some damage.